We will use the definition of the molar mass of a compound as equal to the molar mass constant multiplied by the sum of the products of each element's subscript and its relative mass. Remember that the relative mass is the same as atomic weight or atomic mass. The name varies depending on the periodic table, but the correct term is average relative mass, which we symbolize as AR with the subscript J for each particular element. When substituting, we first replace the lowercase j, which represents the identity of the compound, with the formula of sulfuric acid. Subsequently, we replace the molar mass constant, m, with the subscript u, with its value, which we will assume to be a perfect number equal to 1 gram per mole. This does not affect significant figures but allows us to justify the units of molar mass. Normally, this step is overlooked, but if we want the dimensionality to be correct, using this constant is essential. Remember that by tradition, we express 2 decimal places of precision when working with exercises from classic textbooks like Chang or Brown. However, in more basic course texts, we generally express values as whole numbers without decimals. We begin by placing parentheses. The subscript for hydrogen is 2, which we substitute as a perfect number, thus not affecting significant figures. We multiply this by the relative mass of hydrogen, which we take as 1.01. Then, as there are more elements, we use the summation symbol and continue. For sulfur, given that the subscript is 1, we simply place its relative mass, 32.07, without including the subscript since we assume a priori that any multiplication by 1 is irrelevant. Finally, we add the pair for oxygen, which corresponds to a subscript of 4 and a relative mass of 16.00. Upon entering the data into the calculator, we find that the solution is 98.09 grams per mole. Alright, that's all for now. You can find the demonstration of the formula along with more exercises in the links in the video description. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it. See you next time.